Yo, what's up, chat? So, if you wanna know how to play this game and get good at it, I think Stella Montis is the best, and it gets you to a place where you'll be good at this game, and you'll be alert, and a lot will be happening at the same time. Like, look at this now. I don't know what was going on. Hey, Raider. Is there a Raider close by? Anybody here? Am I getting bombed like this? Is there somebody here close by? Oh, what's going on? Raider, is anybody here? The gun that I have is... For you to escape these, you have to have people behind you, because, by yourself, when you don't have enough equipment, these arcs go crazy. Especially for me, those ones with heavy artillery. They're gonna cook you. They are going to cook you. I think that's enough for you. I think now we try this. Raider. Oh, where are you? Because I'm hearing a lot of explosions. So, where are you? I'm above that ladder. If you can see. Assembly loading bay. Can we help each other get out? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a blissful New Year. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Do we have people? What's that noise? What's that noise? Raider. I'm peaceful, dog. I'm peaceful. I can see here. Oh yeah. You wanna go out?
Go where?
You wanna go out? Oh, what are you looking for? What you up to?
For lion spitter or spitter, whatever it's called.
Okay, let me help you look for it. There's somebody up there. Hey, we're peaceful. What up? What are you looking for, friend? Did you find it yet?
Have you found lion spitters? Or what's it called?
Not yet. Do you see somebody up
Are
there?
you also looking for it?
No, I'm just wandering around this place.
It's called lion spotter.
I'm Sparkle. Okay, let me help it. Let me help you find it.
You can look at it, you. Okay, take the crate. Here, check the box here. This box. Sorry. In this box here. Check.
Oh, nice, bro. Let me drop some here and get the blueprint here. Thank you, bro. I appreciate.
Really?
Sorry? Where are you?
I think maybe leaving loot.
Okay, let's leave. Let's leave. There's somebody. Hello? Nice. You wanna go to the train station?
Yeah.
Bro. Wait for me, bro. Oh, snap, bro. Pitch me up, pitch me up, pitch me up. I don't want to die with this blueprint on me, though. I'm gonna try to put it on the map. I'm here.
Let's use that metro entrance.
Thank you for the blueprint, dog. Oh, snap. Am I lost? Wait. Wait for me. Oh, snap. It's gone.
Don't shoot!
I'm friendly, yeah. What's up? Are you done what you're looking for? Did you find what you were looking for? Let's go. Let's go. Do the honors, do the honors, do the honors.
It's go time.
Yeah, nice.
Let's boogie.
That was lit.